Top 7 Best Drone Under $100 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Potensic A20. The Potensic A20 is a cute little drone that has a surprising number of features for $40. There's no camera, but you do get auto takeoff and landing, as well as an altitude and heading hold mode. The latter two make it easier to learn to fly by handling takeoff and keeping the altitude or heading, the direction in which the drone is pointing fixed, while allowing you to maneuver in other ways. These are a big help for the novice pilot, as they make it much easier to figure out how the different controls interact with one another. The A20 is not a fast drone, though, and it is easily buffeted by breezes and drafts. It's fairly zippy when you engage the higher power modes, but with about 5 minutes of flight time, you don't get much time to practice. Fortunately, it comes with 2 batteries. Number 6. GoolRC T36. Some people may be fine with paying $20 for a fancy sandwich, but what about a drone? Laying down a Jackson will get you the no-frills GoolRC T36 drone. At just over 3 inches wide, it's tiny but surprisingly tough, with blade protectors around the rotors and a 3-minute flight time from the tiny 190 all-rechargeable battery. The drone comes with a spare set of rotor blades, 2 lithium-ion batteries, and a charger. While its diminutive remote is powered by 3 AA batteries, the T36 is a fun drone to fly, with a decent amount of speed and maneuverability. It is bare bones, though. There's no camera, only a few simple stunts, and no GPS. It does include a feature called Return to Home, but that's just a fancy name for a mode that sets the drone to fly in only one direction and then return when you push the right stick up. Still, it's a fun little drone, and for $20, there won't be too many tears if it gets lost up a tree. Number 5. Snaptain S5C. The Snaptain S5C is a neat, angular design complete with rather bright red and green LED near the motors. However, the large rotor blades are somewhat noisy in flight. The S5C can be controlled from the included controller, through the Snaptain Era app, or through hand gestures. Select this in the app. Then make a 2-finger victory sign at the camera, and it counts down and takes a photo. Hold up an open hand with the fingers extended and it starts recording video. Do that again and it stops recording. It's surprisingly effective. The S5C captures video at 1280 by 720p resolution, but the video is rather grainy and noisy. There's no image stabilization, so every bump and dip of the drone is captured, along with a pronounced rolling shutter effect, where the video looks like wobbly jello. Even though the S5C is light, it gets blown off course easily. It's underpowered. Set the drone flying forwards, and it loses altitude because the motors can't run fast enough to keep the altitude up. The S5C comes with 2 matchbook-sized rechargeable batteries, each of which can power the drone for about 7 to 8 minutes of flight. Number 4. Snaptain F15H. Do you like DJI drones, but can't afford them? Snaptain's F15H is inspired by the design of the DJI Mavic Mini, right down to the way the arms fold up, but costs a quarter of the price. The F15H is a fun drone to fly, and has some neat tricks, like the ability to flip 360 degrees in the air. The controller is powered by 3 AA batteries and looks like an Xbox controller that's been attacked by a button bedazzler, 16 buttons in addition to the 2 control sticks. While the video is captured in 720p resolution, it's grainy and blurry, even in bright light. There is no gimbal stabilization on the camera, so you only get a straight-ahead view that bumps and shakes as the drone maneuvers. It also has a serious case of rolling shutter, where video looks wobbly. The F15H battery only holds about 800 mAh of charge, so you only get about 5 minutes of flight time. You do get 2 batteries, though. Number 3. PowerUp 4.0. The PowerUp 4.0 takes paper airplanes to the next level. This little kit attaches to an ordinary airplane, and thanks to a pair of propellers, lets you pilot the plane from your smartphone. The kit comes with 4 pieces of paper with an airplane pattern, but you can also download patterns for free from the company's website. As we found in our PowerUp 4.0 review, there's a bit of a learning curve, and you'll need a lot of space to fly the plane. But once you get the hang of it, you'll be surprised at how far it will go. The PowerUp 4.0 has been available since October 2020. It costs $79.99 and is for sale on PowerUp site as well as Amazon. PowerUp sells the PowerUp 4.0 in several bundles. The Pro Bundle, $129, includes balsa wood kits, a foam F-22 jet, and a landing gear. The PowerUp 4.0 Flight Manual Bundle, $99, comes with 10 airplane templates, 2 waterproof airplane templates, and a desk stand. A Night Flight Bundle, $99, includes LED lights that run along the airplane's wings. Number 2. Propel Star Wars T36 Advanced. The Forces with the Star Wars themed drone, which initially cost nearly $200, but now can be had for less than $50. The controller that comes with the Propel TIE-X1 Advanced not only lets you perform flips and other tricks, but has a number of sound effects and audio clips from the original trilogy. It all comes in an impressive box that plays the Star Wars theme when you open it up. The details on the TIE-X1 are pretty good, and it even looks like the ship has seen a bit of wear and tear. In flight, it's fast enough to make the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs. Propel also makes an X-Wing fighter version of this drone, as well as a speeder bike, complete with Stormtrooper. Even better, infrared lights and sensors inside each drone let you battle with other Propel Star Wars drones. When you hit another drone, it will spin in the air. Too bad these drones lack cameras to capture video of your dogfights, but otherwise, they're great fun for Star Wars fans. Number 1. Tomzon A31. Looking for an inexpensive drone to learn the basics? The Tomzon A31 is the best drone for the job, offering a great selection of features for the flyer who wants more without spending more than $50. The no-frills A31 lacks a camera, but it's fast and maneuverable, and it has some LED lights at the base of each propeller, making it fun to fly day or night. We also liked its sturdy blade guards, which help keep it in one piece if it crashes into something. However, it has a short battery life of around 7-8 minutes, but it comes with a spare battery, so you can keep the fun going longer. When you name your drone the Flying Pig, hopefully it's with a sense of irony. Fortunately, the company that made the Tomzon A31 seems to have a sense of humor. This small, inexpensive drone is anything but porcine in its movements, and its colorful LED will keep you and your kids entertained. As our Tomzon A31 review will show, it's one of the best cheap drones for less than $100. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best drone under $100 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.